KPRC2 Plus.
And now to your health and that of your pet. Veterinary ophthalmology is a growing field in our area.
Yeah, our pets tend to have the same issues we humans have, and there's help now to make sure they can see well into old age. Health reporter Haley Hernandez on the Animal Beat today. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. So you might be surprised to learn there's actually several vet ophthalmologists in our area. And for Thrive Pet Healthcare in Willowbrook, they're so busy they're opening another location in Pearland. You guys are having to expand because the need for eye care for pets is so common.
There's a fairly significant incidence of eye disease in animals, in dogs, cats and horses, which are probably the species we see the most. Zebedee was sort of blinded by the cataracts when he came in to see us. This is a dog that had developed diabetes. One of the complications of diabetes is that they will not infrequently, in dogs at least, they will develop cataracts.
It was kind of sad to see a dog that spends 75% of his time in high gear, suddenly able to do nothing but low gear and walking into the house and into the walls trying to find where he is.
Did you have any idea that you could have surgery on a dog's eyes? Did you know that that was a possibility?
No, I had no idea. The key factor for us was that the surgery is a one and done. I thought maybe you could restore some vision for a while, but with the diabetes still being there, that it could come back. But after Dr. Millichamp, explained how, this is not something that can come back. It's a one-time fix.
It is very rewarding, especially cataract surgery. They drop off in the morning. The dog is blind, and then they pick up from surgery and they can see. So seeing that reaction from the owners and the animal, it's really the best feeling.
He could see. He'd had a terrible blue cloudiness on his eyes, so all of a sudden we could see his eyes again, and he's completely normal.
They're happy again, they're playing with toys and doing things that they were doing before, so that's always very satisfying.
And I'm sure if you had steps in your home or something that could be hazardous to the pet, that's
absolutely
taking the burden off of them.
Yeah, people have got swimming pools and they come in, the dogs started falling in the pool and this sort of thing, and we can fix their vision so they don't do that sort of thing. So.
Now, the cost of the surgery ranges depending on the complexity. Dr. Millichamp says if you have pet health insurance, which is not very common to have, but those operations, common operations like glaucoma and cataract surgery, they're covered by pet health insurance.
I keep hearing these commercials for pet health insurance all the time. I don't know much about it.
I mean, it's only, I guess, if you have to have a surgery like that. I didn't know much about it, so I asked him, is it common? He said, no, not many people have it. Yeah.
Good to look into, though.
Maybe something to look into.
All right, Haley.